Hi there, students. To douse, a verb. A douse, a noun. Okay, to douse means to cover something thoroughly in a liquid, to pour it all over. So the police doused the demonstrators with a water cannon. I doused the rubbish in petrol and set it alight. You can also use douse to mean to stop a fire or a light from shining, especially by putting water on it or by covering it with something. Douse the lights, put the lights out. Yeah, we need to find some water in order to douse this fire, to put it out. You can also use to douse, meaning to dip something in water, to put it in water, to duck it in water. To blanch vegetables, you need to put them in boiling water for a very short time and then douse them in ice water. Sorry. So to douse, to cover in water, to turn out, to I'm sorry again. To dip in water. She doused herself in perfume. I was covered in cuts and bruises, so I doused myself in antiseptic. Okay, so to douse a blaze, to douse the lights, yeah, a heavy drenching of something, to drench, if you like, to cover completely. Okay, we doused the campfire with a bucket of water. I completely doused my friend with ink, yeah, or the water pipe burst and exploded, and suddenly I was doused in cold water. Drenched, yeah, very often to clean as well. But okay, also to extinguish, douse the candle, put it out, extinguish it. Then you can use this metaphorically. The council's refusal to lend us the venue doused our hopes of holding the concert. You could douse someone's hopes. It's like you throw cold water over them. You reduce it. The teacher's comments doused his enthusiasm. Yeah, to bring down, to make less. He was really keen on doing this, but when he discovered the price, his enthusiasm was doused. So to douse, to put out a light, to put out a candle. Yeah, to douse, to wet thoroughly. To douse, to dip into a liquid. Yeah. I gave him a dousing by pushing him in the swimming pool. Okay, and then also we can also use to douse as a nautical term, meaning to take the strain off a sail, to make it slacker, to make it less tense, or even just completely to lower it. Yeah, so to slacken a rope, to douse a rope. And then finally, there's also another meaning, which is quite unusual as well. To douse, meaning to hit. He doused me in the face with his fist. He hit me. But let's see. To douse, most commonly, to decrease, to throw a wet blanket over. To douse a fire. The fireman doused the what was left of the blazing house. It suddenly started to rain and we were trapped outside, and we got a real dousing. Yeah, we got a douse of cold water on us. To to douse somebody's hopes, to decrease, to put out, to yeah, put the kibosh on, put the kibosh on. Okay, so to douse, a regular verb. They doused the flames. He has doused my hopes of being successful. So how formal? I would give this a 5 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere. Yeah, and let's see. As to origin, it probably comes from a North Germanic origin. It's certainly related to the Swedish word "dunisa," to fall clumsily, or the Danish word "dunse," to thump, to hit. Yeah, apparently there was an Old English word dwaskan, to extinguish, so to douse. Okay, so yeah, I don't like to douse your enthusiasm, but you're not going to learn English in a week. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To douse.